Hello, in this video we're gonna check which gestures and motions work on the lock screen for Nokia X30. And to do this, first let's open up our settings, navigate to the system and gestures. Here we can see all of the gestures, and now let's check which of them work on the lock screen. So first one is jump to camera. Here, to quickly open camera, press the power button twice. Works from any screen, so it says that it should work from lock screen as well. Let's try that. And here we have the camera, works fine. Next one is system navigation, and that's other topic, but it basically changes on how to navigate your system with buttons or gestures, and it kind of works on a lock screen and kind of doesn't. Turn over to reject call, that works for your lock screen. If you put your phone over, like on the animation, it should enter the quiet mode. Next one is mute on pickup. If somebody tries to call you and you pick up your device, the call should be muted. It won't reject the call, it will only mute it. Here, double tap to check phone. It works on the lock screen. You just need to double press to unlock your device. It doesn't work in reverse way, so you can't lock it by double tapping. Lift to check phone, and here you just need to pick up your phone in a grip and it should wake up like that. Press and hold power button to call out the assistant. Let's check if it works for a lock screen. Here we have a Google Assistant and it works fine. So that's another one for the lock screen. And here, to enable last one, we'll need to turn off Google Assistant and enter the setting. And here we can customize if it by pressing power and volume down, volume up key at the same time. It will prevent ringing and make it vibrate or mute. I will go with mute, and let's try that on our lock screen. So it works fine, as you can see. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.